Yo, what's up Facebook? What's up YouTube? What's up Instagram? What's up Twitter world? What's up y'all? Hey yo, it is crazy right out here right now. It is a nice cold out here in Richmond, Virginia. But yo, I just want to let y'all know something. 2018 has been good to me. Show some love if 2018 has been good to you. Show some love if 2018 has been good to you. Right, let's start it off on a good note. I'm so happy and grateful now. Whatever it is that you want to be, right? I'm so happy and grateful now what the future holds for me. What I'll be able to do for my family. What I'll be able to do for my friends. What I'll be able to do for my community. I am so happy and grateful now, guys. I will see only the good. I will provide only good and positive energy. And guess what? Today will be a great and beautiful day, y'all. Today is going to be a great and beautiful day. Again, repeat after me. I'm so happy and grateful now. Replace anything in there that you're happy for now that you haven't gotten yet. What you believe, what your faith has in store for you, believe it. I'm so happy and grateful now for the things that are the blessings and the leaders and the people I'm going to meet, the finances that are going to take off in the year 2019. I'm happy and grateful now. I will provide only good and positive energy. I will see only the good. And today will be a great and beautiful day. Absolutely. Start your day off with affirmations, guys. So now I'm about to go into exactly what I'm talking about, okay? What I'm talking about right now is the stock market right now in a rut. I guess that's what you want to call it. The stock market, guys, is in a rut right now, okay? Man, I've seen it drop more than 500 plus points. Millionaires, I guess the wealthy, have lost over $500 billion already, right? Check your own 401k right now. You may have lost hundreds or even thousands of dollars in your 401k. Please check it. Please check it right now. Guys, this is the sole reason why I say follow us at Trade the Trends. It's the winner circle. Let me see how I'm going to do this thing. Follow us at Trade the Trends, guys. This is the winner circle, okay? Follow. I'm trying to get this light. This light is messing with me. Follow, guys. It's so important right now that we diversify our portfolio. A lot of individuals, I don't know the exact statistics right now, but majority of individuals who work or have a job only invest through their 401k, which means they invest blindly. They contribute to a 401k, which they have no idea what market is trading in, what type of dividends, what type of interest they should be looking for return, or do they know by the time they retire how much money should they have in this account? And also the last question is, will that be enough to retire on when you do, right? So that's the thing, or the downfall I say about the 401k. The sole downfall is that you are not involved, right? You must get involved in your own personal investments, right? Your own 401k. You must get involved, guys, right? You are doing yourself a discredit, you know, if you're not involved in your own personal finances. Please do not leave it up to your government. Do not leave it up to your job to solely take care of your financial future. Because guess what your job or the government is going to leave you? Not much. They ain't going to leave you not much because they're focused on their dividends. They're not focusing on you. They just want you to contribute and add more money. So guess what? So they can make more money, guys. What's up, everybody? Got about 17 people up here. What's up, everybody? I didn't see everybody's name, but shout out. Again, start off with positive affirmations to yourself every day. I'm so happy and grateful now. Guys, please, right now, go check your Fidelity. Go check whatever your 401k is at. Please go check it because the stock market right now is doing numbers on an absolute wrong way, guys. That's why, again, follow Trade the Trends so you can know what options you have to diversify your portfolio, whether it's saving in physical or hard assets like gold and silver, right? Or get into cryptocurrency, learning the trading strategies of trading the US dollar for other currencies to generate another form of cash flow for you guys. It's so imperative that you get involved in your own personal finances. Right? Please, again, do not allow the government and your job to be the only people involved in your finances. Because what are they going to leave you? Not much. They're not going to give you much either, guys and gals. I see you got a whole lot of gals up here too. The ladies are about their money in here, I see. The ladies are in here trying to get their bag right. Ain't that right, ladies? Get that bag right. Where my guys at? Get that bag right. Guys, right now, please go check your 401k. But what I want to leave y'all with right now is understanding what options we have as investors, traders, or, rookies or beginners into the investment quadrant, right? A lot of people say, hey, I don't know where to start. Well, actually, you do right now. Follow, trade the trends right now to see what options you have available. There are so many free options available where you can start earning additional income through multiple streams, guys. It's really not that difficult. We are in the golden technology era right now. ACC, yeah, all about that money. I dig it, right? There are so many options that we have right now where we can generate income, right? Has anyone on this live right now heard of couponing? Guess what? Another way to keep more money, right? So there's options. It's not always about, yes, investing is important and things like that because now your money is working for you. But first, you must learn how to save. You must learn how to, lower your monthly expenses so you can save to invest more, right? Also, understanding how to do that is also learning the secrets of the IRS, right? Where they don't tell you how you can have the ability to pay your children if you have a home-based business. So now that $70,000 or $100,000 or more you make a year, guess what? The government can only tax you on about $20,000 or less. So now you get to keep more money, right? You're not taxed at a higher rate. So guys, it's so important that you just tune in to what we have to offer. This is the Winner's Circle, the Wealth Investors Network. My partners, Jay Hanna, my partner, Jay Pinkston, my partner, Jay Parham. Everybody Jay something except me. I'm the only T, but my last name ends with a J. So yeah, we out here popping. Mr. Weaver as well, part of the team. We're getting things rolling. Success Brand, Mr. Adu, Mr. Jones, Brad, we getting it popping. All we're trying to do is get this money right. Not only are we learning to secure our bag, and I say we're still learning because we understand the way technology changes and things change so much, we have to always be a student. Let's think about it. Let's think about over the years, right? Before 1970, our dollars were backed by gold, considered the gold standard. So each dollar, each currency represented, an amount of gold, right? And then 1970, when President Nixon said, you know what? We need a more flexible currency. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to discredit or remove the gold standard, right? So once they remove the gold standard at that point, you can print money. As you can see, all these bailouts and all these things going right now, we have the ability to just print money, right? That's why the government is $20+ trillion in debt. How can a government or a country that prints its own money be in debt? It's because we're printing so much money that the value of the dollars are simply decreasing day by day. The same reason why your parents or grandparents told stories, hey, I can go down to the supermarket and get 2 cookies, a bag of chips for a penny, right? Now we get 2 cookies and a bag of chips, it's going to be like $6, right? Because the value at this point has decreased so much of the dollar because we're no longer backed by anything, right? The gold standard was removed in 1970. Why now with Trade the Trends, we wanted to create a way for people to invest in gold, right? Mr. Hanna, there you go. That's what I'm talking about, boss, Chairman Hanna. But yes, that's why we also want to not only teach you how to trade, right? The reason why you want to understand the ability to trade is so you can make additional revenue. It's all about learning the game, guys, right? Don't be mad about the game. Don't be mad about the players. Respect it and learn the game, right? Learning the game is also maximizing your money, figuring out a way that you can make money in your sleep. Because if you don't, you'll be working for someone else till the day you die. And that's a quote from Mr. Warren Buffett. And I know everybody on this line know who Warren Buffett is, right? So trading allows you to, get inside a $5.3 trillion a day market, right? That's up for grabs every day. So 100, 200, even $1,000 a day won't hurt that market, right? And everyone has the ability to eat. That's why we want to learn to trade, because currency and money is always moving. How many people on this line order something from Amazon, right? Or eBay or Walmart.com or anything online this Christmas time, right? A lot of people. But guess what? Did you buy anything that said made in China? Guess what? Your US dollars had to be converted into Japanese yen to purchase those products, right? And that's basically what the foreign exchange market does, right? Because in China or in Japan, they don't accept US dollars. They accept the yen. So you have to exchange your dollar for the yen and pay a cost to exchange it, what is called an exchange rate, right? So that's so important to understand. Like, so many people right now made me money just because y'all were shopping. I appreciate y'all shopping, right? That helped me make money, right? Because now the supply and demand fluctuates. And because of the patterns around a certain time of the year, Christmas, people are buying. So guess what I'm doing in the market? I'm buying, right? I'm the Japanese yen, right? I'm selling the Great Britain pound, right? I'm selling the USD, right? No, I'm buying USD also, so it's all about understanding, the world, because the world is currency, right? Whether you got the Canadian dollar, the Australian dollar, the Japanese yen, the Swiss franc, the euro, so many other pairs, gold, right? We also trade crypto, Bitcoin, Ripple, right? Some of these big names, Ethereum, that people do know about because these big companies are now involved in it, right? All my entrepreneurs, all my network marketers, I get it. Making money is cool, but how do you learn to multiply it when you sleep? How do you multiply your money when you sleep? Some people looking at me like, what? Question, if you can make money in your sleep, wouldn't you want to take more naps? That's a serious one, right? So right now, if you're just getting on, my initial thing is check your 401k, guys. The stock market had plummeted negative 50 plus points over the past few weeks. The government has shut down on multiple occasions, right? Your 401k is in jeopardy. Follow Trade the Trend so you can see what opportunities you have to hedge your account. So if one market is down, you have 3 markets that are up. When 2 markets are down, you have 4 markets that are up, right? It's all about understanding and diversifying your portfolio. First thing we talked about was hard assets. How can one purchase gold, right? Well, Travis, gold by the ounce is about $1,000 or more. Guess what? We've built a system that now allows the average Joe like you and me to invest at small increments. We can buy gold by the gram, right? You can save it just like you save your money in a bank. You can save it in a gold savings account or gold bank that we have, or you can get it shipped to you because we have a contract with FedEx who will privately ship the gold that you purchase to your home, right? All through FedEx. We also have a contract with MasterCard. So again, if you have a gold savings account, guess what? You can actually have a MasterCard that has your value of gold in US dollars. So if you do need to purchase gas, groceries, you can do that with the gold you're saving. Guys, it's phenomenal. The things that we're doing, the things that Trade the Trends is helping people with right now, being able to save gold with $10, $100. If you want to buy the ounces, we have those available, and you can get these things shipped to you. Everything, again, via FedEx, because our contract is solely through FedEx only, right? And if you choose to store it in our bank, in the gold bank, of course, that is stored in Europe right now, guess what? You will have your own personal MasterCard, because, again, our other contract is with MasterCard, so you can utilize it at an ATM. You can utilize it at a store, or just where all MasterCards are accepted, right? It's just almost like a Visa. Guys, it's so important. The next thing, right, is learning to invest and trade, okay? Learning to invest and trade, guys, okay? Learning a skill set. right? So you're not solely dependent on a bank. You're not dependent on another broker. You're not dependent on someone else to make the money for you. You have the education. And the reason why I say that is because the one thing that no one can take away from you are the skill sets that you develop, right? Once you learn to ride a bike, you don't ride a bike for 10 years, guess what? You can pick it right back up because it's a skill set that you've developed. The next thing, for all my employees that are right now 9 to 5 and 10 to 9 and whatever you have overnighting, understand how a home-based business can help you keep more money, right? These are the secrets of the banks, the secrets of the IRS that they don't want to tell you, while all of the politicians or congressmen have home-based business, so they only have to pay minimal taxes. Don't be mad at Donald Trump for not paying taxes. He understands the game. He understands it and he plays it very well. He may be an awful president, in my opinion, but he plays the money game very well. Okay, guys, and that's solely what it's about, understanding the game. Brad, yes, hit me up. Let's talk. CC, let's talk. Everybody up here, let's talk. What's up, Tidewater? Let's talk. Everybody up here, let's talk. Hit me, Trade the Trends, follow it, send me a message. There's a lot of info there. But as I was saying about the home-based business, right? The home-based business allows you to write off 400 plus tax deductions. 400 plus. Even as an employee with no home-based business, we have 4. But guess what? A lot of people don't even know they have 4 possible deductions, right? It's all about how much money you can keep. I know everyone is tired of looking at that check and seeing those taxes like, God dang, they taking a lot of taxes out. How do you keep more taxes? 1, creating a home-based business. I can show you how to do that for free on Trade the Trends. Follow. Also, understanding how to correct your W-4 as an employee. Come on, man. And we're going to have a workshop soon on that on Trade the Trends. That's also why you need to follow, right? Guys, there are so many ways that we can keep money, right? First thing we must do, we must learn how to keep money, save money, right? Now we can save to invest, right? But a lot of us don't have a pattern of saving. We only have a pattern of being consumers. Buy. Black Friday, buy. Christmas, buy. Go out to eat, buy. To spend money, right? But we don't put anything away for a rainy day. No emergencies, no investment funds, anything like that. That's ass backwards, ladies and gentlemen. Whole ass backwards, okay? Hate to say it like that, but you ass backwards, okay? So it's all about the right thing. Whenever you get paid, your check comes. You should take 10% of that. Say you make $1,000, right? For example, $10 you should automatically put away first. Pay yourself first. How many people have heard that? Right? You've heard that. That has been a saying since the 1920s. Mr. Dale Carnegie, the Henry Fords of the world, the Napoleon Hills of the world, the Zig Ziglars of the world, they all say pay yourself first, right? Pay yourself first, right? No matter if it's $1,000, $10, something small, right? You don't have to start saving $500 a month, $1,000 a month. No, you start off, I call it the ripple effect, right? Start saving something. Start the habit, right, of putting $10 away every check. And guess what's going to happen? That's going to be $20 a month. Wow, right? That's almost $400 to $500 saved in a year's time, right? You see what I'm saying? If you're doing this thing right. And if you could put more, put more. And guess what? If you got to go into your savings because something came up, guess what? That's what it's there for. Right? It's there in case you need a new tire or something happens to your car. It's there in case you need you crack your windshield. It's there for you. Hey, man, I need some gas money. My check don't come in 2 days. I need to borrow an extra $20. That's what it's there for. But first, one must start the habit, and let us help you start the habit, guys. Savings account. That's why we also at Trade the Trends talk about saving in gold, because if you save, you change one currency for another asset, and the asset, maintains its dollar value. And guess what? It has the ability to increase. It has the ability to increase. And again, I cannot guarantee you profits. If we could guarantee you profits, we all would be millionaires, right? We all would be investors. We all would be Warren Buffetts of the world, Jay-Z's of the world, the Beyoncé's of the world, the Akons of the world, right? Philanthropists, right? But what they saw was, you know what? Not only do I want to invest, but I want to help others invest. The reason why we have continuing free workshops, free live sessions, online, right? In Richmond, Virginia, right? Please reach out to Trade the Trends. If you are not in the Richmond, Virginia area, we can do an online workshop for you guys, right? Let you be in the comfort of your own home. We do online workshops just like this, live, but guess what? You can see my screen. You can see my computer, right? I can send you PDF files. I can show you everything that you're going to need to set up these investment accounts, right? And setting up an investment account is free. Setting up a brokerage account is free. The only thing you must do is learn to save and understand how much risk capital can you invest per month, right? Some people have $10,000 that they just like, hey, Travis, I got 10 grand in the bank that I don't know what to do with. The bank is sitting there. The bank is making millions off your money, and they're paying you probably, if you got 10 grand, you might get 50 cents a month. The bank might pay you 50 cents a month on your 10 grand. You're letting them borrow $10,000 while they're making hundreds, and they give you pennies. Guys, this is why I started trading in the foreign exchange market, why I got involved in cryptocurrency and learning how to multiply my money just like the banks are doing anyway. Learn the skill set, guys. So again, hopefully y'all got some value. If you did, leave a 1 in the comments. Share this. Go follow Trade the Trends right now, guys, because we're going to have some amazing things coming up from me and my partners here in the Richmond, Virginia area. If you're here live, we post up at multiple libraries out here in Henrico, Chesterfield. So get with us, leave us a message, so we can let you know and put you on the mailing list, emailing list when we're doing another workshop. Or if you're not in the States, if you're out of the country, if you're in another state, you're not in Virginia, still leave us a comment and say, hey, I'm not in the area, but I will want to join live, and maybe do an online workshop with you guys. So just hit me up. Peace, blessings to all, much prosperity.